Today, we're bringing comfort to your kitchen with a nourishing classic, old cucumber soup, packed with flavor, tradition, and love. You'll need 1 old cucumber, pork ribs or 250 grams of chicken fillets, 5 red dates, dried scallops or replace with 30 grams white fungus, 1 gram goji berries, 1 carrot and a few slices of ginger. Start by scrubbing the old cucumber clean. Peel it lightly, remove the seeds, and chop into thick chunks. Blanch the pork ribs in boiling water to remove impurities, then rinse and set aside. I use chicken instead of pork ribs. In a large pot, add your chicken, old cucumber, red dates, goji berries, dried scallops, white fungus, carrot and ginger slices. Fill with water. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for 2 to 3 hours. Patience brings out the best flavor. The result? A soothing, aromatic broth full of natural sweetness and tender meat. Perfect for any day. Old cucumber soup, a taste of home in every bowl. Try it today and nourish your soul. Check out my books on keto diet recipes and mental health book. Visit www.lawmorify.com for more healthy tips, weight loss products and art designs on printed t-shirts, mugs, tumbler, beach towels, phone cover and many more.